MiG 29MU1 fighter jet strikes a Russian UAV operator base. The Ukrainian Air Force receives confirmed coordinates of a Russian UAV operator base controlling frontline drones. A MiG 29MU1, armed with AASM HAMMER precision bombs, launches on a low-altitude ingress. From outside short-range air defense range, the pilot deploys 2 HAMMER bombs and immediately turns away. Direct hits destroy the control building and communications node. Secondary explosions follow. Drone transmissions in the sector stop. Aircraft returns safely. Target neutralized.